Hey guys, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and I am headed to New Orleans, and I am going to pack for you today. I don't necessarily know what I'm doing down there. I don't need to make a plan. I've been in New Orleans 500,000 times, but I do know what I'm packing, and I do know what luggage I'm bringing, and that's what this video is all about. I am flying Spirit Airlines, and I got a super amazing cheap deal. Now, we all know about Spirit Airlines, and if you don't, I'm going to run it by you real quick. It is a budget airline here in the US that you can get super cheap flights most of the time, but they make you pay for every single little thing, including baggage. I got this flight to New Orleans over spring break, thank you very much, for $100 round trip. But I wanted to do a carry-on there and a carry-on back. It would have cost me an extra $132, which is crazy. The amount of money I would have spent to do a carry-on is more than the flight itself. And that's just robbery. And guess what? Some guy thought so too, and he made a piece of luggage that hacks Spirit. Spirit hack. Take Off Luggage. Okay? Take Off Luggage. You guys have seen me talk about this before. I have reviewed it. And today I'm going to pack it. The thing about Take Off Luggage is this is a normal 20-inch carry-on because it includes the wheels, right? But guess what? The wheels, they come off and they're 2 inches long. So 20 inches minus 2 is 18. And that means when this bag is 18 inches, it's a personal item, which means it is free on Spirit and Frontier. So this is what I'm going to use when I fly to New Orleans. Let's pack it. I am also going to be featuring a ton of my new gear from Tripped Travel Gear for accessories to use in your luggage while you pack. And you guys, this stuff is awesome. I'm going to do a whole separate video on it, and I have so much stuff I can't even fit it all in this video right now, but I received every single thing that they have. All right, so it's time to pack. And obviously first I consulted my packing list when getting my stuff together. If you guys haven't taken advantage of my free editable packing lists, please go to ITSTHEKELLYS.com and sign up for our email list. And as a gift to you, you will get my free editable packing lists. I used my packing template for myself. The categories are clothes, accessories, electronics, toiletries, plain stuff, and important stuff. I like to be able to make a list so that I make sure that I'm not forgetting anything. It's as simple as that. All right, so I'm going to set this to the side because we're going to be packing all of our items in other bags and then putting the bags in this luggage. We are going to start with clothes, and you guys know I am a big fan of a capsule wardrobe. It is anywhere from maybe 10 to 12 pieces, tops and bottoms, where everything matches so that you can mix and match different outfits to create a wardrobe for your trip. So these are all my clothes for the trip, okay? This is my top and my jeans to wear on my plane, as well as my one pair of shoes. And honestly, I'm gonna wear this hat too, so I'm just gonna keep it on. A shirt, a skirt, a dress, a shirt, and a pair of shorts. And then what I'm going to pack my clothes in are one of my new compression cubes from Tripped Travel Gear. It does open up like a packing cube, and then you can compress it down. And this size is going to be perfect for the amount of clothes that I am bringing. I always start with my biggest item first, throw that in, then the second biggest item, third biggest item, fourth biggest item, and then this extra one. This is the size, but now you're going to compress it down to make it even smaller. Careful of the fabric so you don't zip it in. I always like to kind of stick my finger in there, and there you have it. These are the next items that we are packing, and I have 4 pairs of underwear and 1 bathing suit. I am going to be wearing my merino wool bra from Branwyn, which is one of my favorites, and I'm actually wearing it right now because you can wear it for multiple days without having to wash it. And girls, you know, you know it's just gonna get all sweaty and stuff. The Branwyn merino wool ones don't. So I don't even ever pack bras anymore. They just travel on me, you know? 4 pairs of underwear going in. This is the tube cube, which is really great for socks, underwear, and bathing suits because it is kind of long and skinny. And the cool thing about this is that I still have a ton of space. It really only takes up about that much space. All right, so now we are going to move on to Toiletries, which is going to be any of your liquids for the plain hair stuff, makeup stuff, whatever else you need to just look the way that you need to. They have this 3-piece toiletry set. This one is perfect. So it does hang like this. It does kind of technically hang down like this, but this is removable. But you've got everything in here, and then it does fold up really small. And you guys, I've been looking for a Toiletries bag that hangs for so long that is small. And it also comes with another liquids bag that's a little bit bigger. So we're gonna put everything in here, including our liquids are going to go in this, but it is going to stay separate for TSA. For my liquids, I have sunscreen, I have deodorant, I have moisturizer, and I have toothpaste. And that is it for my liquids. All of my makeup is not liquid these days, at least when I travel. As for the rest of the Toiletries bag, I'm gonna put my makeup in here, baked foundation, makeup brushes, and then I have my Settle Beauty Stack, which is getting really, really tall these days. Powder, eyeshadow, bronzer, blush, lip and cheek, concealer, everything you need to do your face. In this part, I am going to put my contacts, my brush, and my toothbrush, and then I'm going to bring a little thing of Dramamine, and then look how small it gets. And then we're moving on to electronics, which I'm a vlogger. I'm vlogging my whole thing. I have to have my camera gear. I have to have a lot of cords, a lot of batteries, things like that. So it is essential for me to have a really good electronics case, and I honestly sometimes travel with 2 of them or one that's double the size. But this is incredible inside. Let's pack it. My number one thing is my portable charger. It's always a good thing to have when you travel, especially if you're on your phone a lot, taking pictures or videos. I do always travel with 2 iPhone cords, and then I just do have another couple of essential cords. So many cool pockets in here. And then I am traveling domestic, so I don't technically need this, but I do like this because it has 4 USB ports and 1 USB-C. And then I do have 2 other just normal blocks. And then these are my electronics. All right, so let's go ahead and start packing everything in the luggage, and then I'm going to show you guys the other stuff that I have to pack from there. In the luggage, you do have the side that has a zipper that does open up. This is the little mesh compartment, and then this is the side. It has some compression. So we're going to start with our small compressible cube, then we're going to do the tube cube, and then we're going to do the Toiletries bag. I do still have a little bit more space on top if I want to, which is also good because I might go shopping. The most important thing that you're going to learn from this video, packing personal item only, is that you are going to bring this bag and only this bag, which means your purse has to go in the bag. And then on this side, I'm going to pack my flat iron in case I want to do something to my hair, because you guys, the bang life, you don't wake up like this. Okay, then I have vlogging gear, which is a couple of different tripods and camera batteries, and then obviously the electronics that we went over. And then I will have probably my camera in here as well, but I'm filming on it right now, so just pretend that I'm putting it in. I'm also going to do a pair of sunglasses. Actually, these are 2 pairs. And now we're going to go ahead and close it. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do with my important stuff. Obviously, I'm going to have pockets. I'm going to be wearing jeans tomorrow, so I can totally hold my wallet here if I want to, and totally hold my passport here if I want to. Or I can go ahead and put it in this zippered part. which is also where I'm going to keep my toiletries. And then this is the bag that when I take my wheels off from my takeoff luggage, I can put the wheels in here, throw them in my bag, and again, when I land, put the wheels back on and wheel my way to New Orleans and have a good time. Now, obviously I packed a little bit light. You guys know I am a packing wizard, I've been called by friends, and I don't need a lot. I'm going to a city that I know very well. I'm going to a city where I can buy things that I need if I need to. So this is what I'm packing. You can pack a ton more stuff in here. I promise. There is still so much more space. I had to pack a lot of vlogging gear. You guys don't have to do that. So this little bag can fit so much stuff. So stay tuned because next video is when I fly with this bag on Spirit Airlines. I'm going to show you how I'm going through the airport and through security with it. I'm going to show you how they handle it at the gate. I'm going to show you if they make me put it in the bin. I'm hopefully going to find a Frontier Airlines bin to put it in as well to show you guys how it fits. And then most importantly, I'm going to show you how it fits under the seat in Spirit to make sure that you can still be comfortable on your flight. I am off to New Orleans and I am flying with a free personal item. And you can too. I have a link and a code down below in the description if you want to get some takeoff luggage for yourself. It sells out a lot because it is that popular. So if you go to the site and they have some, get it. They have an expandable version as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.